Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A16 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and you will find there something say general management. After click over general management, you will find there something say date and time. From here, if you decide to set up manual date and time, first of all you need to turn this off automatic date and time and a screen going to appear. Now you can easily set manual date and time. For example, I would like to choose manual date and also I would like to choose manual time. Now if I click here done, it's going to appear new date and time. So within this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A16. Now I will suggest you to turn on automatically date and time, which will help you whenever you are in London and whenever you went to Dubai. So when your phone is going to be connected with this Dubai network, your phone is going to automatically appear that local area time, so which is much useful. So we're going to make here again this setting and then we're going to jump over on this general management date and time and we're going to click here set automatically date and time. So within this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.